Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about our amazing earth. Now children, and already I have finished that unit. So in that lesson we discussed about our earth. On our earth we can see the numbers of trees, ocean, mountain, stones, everything we can see. Our earth is round in shape. It's made up of water and land. Children. So here, as you can see, more than half of the earth, that is a 3/4 part, is covered with the water only. Children. So, what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is round. It is made up of land and water. So, 3/4 part of the earth is covered with the water only. So, our earth is also called the blue planet. Children, where we are living, we all are living on earth. So on that earth we can see there is a lands are, some lands are very high and some lands are very low. Which lands are very high? That lands are called mountains. Very high land is called the mountain and high mountain is called the hills. The flat lands are called the plains, where we can see where we are living. We are constructing the house. We can see the trees. So which area is a flat? That land is called a plain. Children, our earth is covered with the rocks. That rocks are not in same shape. Some are big, some are small. Colors also we can see the different. On this earth we can see there is a natural things and also man-made things. Natural things means what, children? Whatever the things we get from the nature, that is called the natural things. So in that natural things comes river, lakes, mountain, hills, soil are the natural things. And we also see the man-made things. So in that comes bus, vehicles, road, bridge, school, hospitals, then buildings, bungalow. This all comes in the man-made things. So these all the things, children, we discussed in this lesson. So today, children, I am here to do the whatever exercise given in this unit. Okay, children. So here, what is your work? You should open the EVS notebook. Write the day and date. Today's day and date. Write the unit number. Then write lesson name is Our Amazing Earth. So children, open the notebook corner. Today we'll do the textbook exercise. So whatever I am going to write on the board, you have to copy down all the things in your EVS notebook. Okay children. So here I am writing all the notes on the board. So this lesson's classwork I am not going to send in the app. You have to copy down from the video only. Okay children. The first we will do the fill in the blank. So first options. We'll read the options. Mountains, then water, route, bridge, and the last one they have given hills. So these are the options given. The first filling the blanks is what here? So children, copy down correctly. Don't do the any spelling mistakes. First one. The earth is dash in shape. Next one. It is cool on the dash. It is cool on the dash. A dash is man-made. A dash is man-made. Dash covers more than half the earth. Dash covers more than half of the earth. More than half the earth, children. It is not of. Half the earth. Last one. Dash are smaller than mountains. Dash are smaller than mountains. So correctly copy down, children. Don't do the any spelling mistakes. Clear, children? Now we'll fill this. The earth is dashed in shape. Tell me, children, what is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? Come on. Very good. The shape of the earth is round. What is the shape here? The shape of the earth is round. Next, it is cool on the dash. When it is cool, if you go very higher, then we can see the climate, the atmosphere is cool. Where you can find cool? Tell me. Yes, we find the cool in the mountains. Yes. The next one. A dash is man-made thing. A dash is man-made things. What are the options given here? Mountains, water, rice. is that? Water. Water covers more than half the earth. Last one. Dash are smaller than mountains. Mountains are very high. Highlands are called the mountains. What they are? Smaller. Smaller than mountain is what, children? Tell me, what is that? Yes, it is a hills. Hills are smaller than mountain. Okay, children? So one more time I will read this all the filling the blanks. Repeat after me, children. See here. Fill in the blanks. First one, the earth. The earth is dash in shape. The earth is round in shape. What is the spelling of round? R-O-U-N-D, round. It is cool on the dash. It is cool on the mountains. What is the spelling of mountains? M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Yes, mountains. A dash is man-made. A bridge is man-made. What is the spelling of bridge? B-R-I-D-G-E. Bridge. Dash covers more than half the earth. What is covered more than half? Water. Water covers more than half the earth. W-A-T-E-R, water. Last one, dash are smaller than mountains. Hills are smaller than mountains. What is the spelling? H-I-L-L-S. Hills. So correctly copy down. The next we'll see the main question number 2. That is a match the following. Match the following. First one, plains. Next one, mountain. The next one, earth. Fourth one, natural things. Natural things. And the fifth one, man-made things. We will go to the B side. First is rivers. Next is blue planet. bridge. Then last one, it's a heart. So here children, we have to match with the A, whatever they had given, we'll see. So first they had given the planes. What they had given? First they had given the planes. Okay? So planes are flat. First only I said planes are samtal land. So here you can see where is the flat here. Very good. So here planes are flat. Yes. Come to the next one. Mountains. Mountains are what? Too high. So where is the high? Yes. So mountains are very high. Next is what here? Earth. Earth is also called the blue planet. Correct? Next, natural things in that river or bridge. Which is the natural things? Yes. River is a natural thing. Now come to the last one. Man-made things are good. Bridge is man-made things. Now here you can see children. Plains are flat. Mountains are high. Earth is also called the blue planet because of water. Natural things is rivers. Man-made things, bridge. So bridge is what that? Man-made things. We'll come to the next one. Main question number now, third. What do they ask? Make a list of. Make a list of. Make a list of man-made things and natural things. Man-made things. Make a 2-column children. Next one is natural things. So here children, I will show the one image. They asked, look at the pictures and then make a list of man-made things and natural things. Okay? Just to see children this image, they had given one picture and asked, you have to find in this picture man-made things and natural things. So here you can find the numbers of things. Come to the man-made things. If you see the vehicles, you know, man-made things, bus, road. Here you can see the bridge, you know, bridge for what? To cross the river. Road for to move the vehicles. Then we can see the house. Here also you can see the house. Buildings, correct? Buildings. Car, truck, auto rickshaw. These all are comes in the man-made things. Yes, next we see the natural things here. What is that? River, mountain, trees. Here also river. So these all are the natural things. Stone is there, see. You know, stone. Stone also natural things. So by seeing this picture, you have to write the natural things and man-made things. Clear, children? Now we'll divide the natural things and man-made things. So first, in the image what they had given first, road. Road is what there? Tell me. Yes, man-made thing. Then bus. Yes, car. They had given the car. Then next what is that? Building. Next they have given the building. Then again next what is that? Bridge. You know? Bridge. So these are the what? Man-made things. Now here we see. In the natural things what they have given? Trees. What is the first they have given? Trees. Then, yes, mountains. Then, river. Then next what they have given? Stones. So these are the natural things. Second is there soil. Soil also is there. I have forgot that soil only. So these are the natural things in that picture, children. You can say one more time. I will repeat this thing. Make a list of man-made things and the natural things. Say that man-made things: road, bus, car, building, bridge are the man-made things. In the natural things, trees, mountains, river, stone, soil are the natural things. Okay, children. So these all the things whatever I written on the board today, everything you have to copy down in your EVS notebook. And this unit, this lessons, our amazing earth, I am not sending the classwork because everything is written on the board, so you have to copy down from this video only. So write the day and date, unit number, lesson number, write, and then complete the classwork. You have to copy down everything, whatever I given, fill in the blanks, match the following, and the make a list of man-made things and the natural things. So these all the things you have to write one time. Okay, children? Write one time. So this is the homework for you. One time only write. Okay? Complete the classwork and then send me in the app. So here children, one activity they had given. Listen, to complete this classwork, I will give the 2 days time. Take a 2 days time, complete this all the things and then send me in the app. The activity what here? Take a mud, take a soil, take a mud and make any things, any plain things. Make a apple with that mud only. Apple, grapes, banana or tomato, anything make it. Make any 2 or 3 items with the mud and then keep it up for dry. It's take a 2 to 3 days time to dry. After dry, take a watercolor and give the paint. If you make the banana, then give the yellow color. If you make the apple, then give the red color. So children, this activity you have to do it yourself only. Make any interesting shape with the mud. Any interesting shape with the mud. Keep it up for dry. After dry, give the colors for that shape and then send me that. To do this activity, take the help of your parents. This activity you can send me after 4 days. Okay, I will give you the 4 days time to do this activity. Make any clay model, color it and then send me in the app. So, I said not a clay model. Make any fruits or vegetables like banana, apple, mango or give any shape, round shape, rectangle, square. Keep it up for dry, color it and then send me in the app. To do this activity, you should take the help of your parents. Okay children, complete the class work. Thank you children. So children, here I have written that activity. See here I have written that activity. Yes, no, what is that activity? Just you can see. This is the activity I have written. Make interesting shape with mud like mango, banana, apple, grapes. See this is the shape. Then put them for dry. Then paint. Okay children, then paint them. Paint them with water colors. To do this activity, take the help of your parents. And I have given the time also, just to see children, I have given the 4 days time. See the 4 days time. After dry, after coloring, then send me in the